Hello friends, my name is Naveen Sharma and I am talking to you on my daughter's channel, which is Snoopy Indian. So do subscribe to the channel. Today we will be unboxing a very interesting product from Avita, that is Avita Pura. I've been using Avita this laptop, which is Avita Liber. That is a 14-inch laptop and it has got i5 processor. So I bought this laptop in the month of January. It has been since January I've been using it extensively, and my feedback on this laptop is really very good. So as far as the build quality is concerned, as far as the performance is concerned, it has got i5 8250U processor, which is one of the best processor in the price range, and I got it in 32,000 rupees. It has got a fingerprint scanner and it has a backlit keyboard as well. Apart of that, it has got like two USB to 3.0 ports and one USB type C port, as well as micro SD card reader. So it has got all the packages which you require in your day-to-day connectivity things, and it has got a 720p a webcam, which is not that good actually. I don't like the webcam. What I like about this laptop is it has got a lot of productivity options and connectivity options, as well as you won't find any problem, like it won't hang and it works like a charm. So today, after using this laptop for 6 months, what I thought is like, we should go for another product, because nowadays everything is working online. So just for the classes purpose, we have got a new laptop, which is this. This is Avita Pura. It has got AMD processor. The earlier laptop which I was using, which I exchanged in for this one, was also an AMD laptop, and I was using that as well. It was working absolutely fine and it had got no problems at all. So what I'll do today is like, we'll do an unboxing of this laptop and I will tell you how exactly it works, and what are the pros and cons, and what do we get in this box. And further to that, like, we'll do a detailed comparison with this Avita Pura, which is an i5 laptop. I don't think so that an AMD A9 processor will be able to match up with the speed and performance. However, I will do a genuine comparison, or a valid comparison in these laptops, and I will give you a detailed review of that as well. So today, let's just go ahead and unbox and see what do we get in the box, and what are the things included in this particular box. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's just keep this product aside and let's start with this one. Okay, all right, so this is the box. It's a pretty neat and clean box. I bought it in on Amazon, and I got a very good deal on this laptop. So let's see what we get in here. Okay, so interestingly, we have got this bag, which is it looks of good quality. Okay, and it's a sleeve actually. It's of black color. Looks nice. Yeah, so let's just keep this one aside, and now let's dig into it and see what do we have. Okay, this is the main unit, which is the laptop. Okay, and we have got some cables as well. Maybe it would be a charging cable. Let's see how many cables do we get with this one. Okay, so what I see is like, it just has the charging brick, which is sorry for that, yeah, which is this one, and a charging cable. So these are the two units which we get here. It's just a charging brick and a charging cable, and there is nothing else in the box. Uh, with the Avita Liber, the one which I'm using right now, we've got an HDMI cable as well. So that was a great addition actually. I've been using it in order to connect my desktop or my another monitor which I have with this. So this is the laptop. This is the main unit which we have. Okay, now it's pretty light, what I can feel uh, from this one. Like I have just held it in my hand actually, and I'm feeling it's a bit light. Okay, now let's just move it back about this. Okay, all right. Okay, now I need to do that, and it's a bit locked here. We need to open the lock, I think. Yeah, so this lock is open. Pretty nice actually, really great. And this is the laptop. I'll open it. Okay, all right. So the earlier one which I have, it's made up of metal. Now this one is made up of plastic. It is complete plastic, front and back, both plastic. However, it looks nice. Okay, and there are some booklets which are of no use. I'll throw it out. So this is the unboxing of this laptop. Okay, so what I'll do is, like, I'll set it up and I'm gonna use it, and once I'm able to use it, and I'll make a thorough comparison between Avita Liber and Avita Pura, this one, and then I will give you my holistic comparison of both the devices. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and that's all about it. Thanks a lot guys for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.